Hi everyone, today I am sharing a dad's carrot cake cookie mug cake that tastes just like a cozy homemade carrot cake, but cooks in the microwave in just a minute. It's soft, warmly spiced, and topped with a creamy frosting that melts right over the cake. If you love quick desserts, this one is simple, comforting, and perfect for a single serving treat. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix to combine all the dry ingredients together. This step helps the baking powder spread evenly so your mug cake rises nicely and stays soft. Now pour in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, any kind of milk works best, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 2 tablespoons of finely grated carrots. If you like a little texture and extra flavor, you can also mix in 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts or pecans and 1 tablespoon of raisins. Stir gently so everything is evenly combined. The batter should look thick and creamy. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high for about 60 to 75 seconds. The cake should rise and look set on top while staying soft and tender inside. Let it rest for about a minute so it finishes cooking. While the cake is resting, let's make the cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a tiny drop of vanilla extract. Whisk it together until the frosting becomes smooth and creamy. Now spread the frosting right over the warm mug cake. The heat from the cake will make it slightly melt and create that classic carrot cake finish. Garnish with finely chopped walnuts, then sprinkle a little cinnamon powder and some shredded coconut on top for extra flavor, texture, and that beautiful bakery-style finish. And that's it. A soft, spiced carrot cake cookie mug cake ready in just minutes. Perfect for when you want a homemade dessert without turning on the oven. Give it a try and tell me what toppings you like on your carrot cake. Loved this mug cake? You can grab my full mug cake recipe collection as a PDF on Etsy. Link in bio. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.